Hey everyone, it's Maddie. Today I'm reviewing the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus. And most importantly, I'll explain the differences between the 9575cc, 9577cc, and 9590cc models. If you've ever been confused about these model numbers, don't worry. I'll make it super simple so you know exactly which one to buy. Let's start. First, let's talk about what's new with the Series 9 Pro Plus. All Pro Plus models use Braun's latest shaving technology, the SyncroSonic motor, the improved ProComfort head, and the new trimmer that captures longer hair more efficiently. The shaving performance is the same across all the models. The difference is in the accessories. Now let's clear up the model numbers because this is where everyone gets confused. The number at the front 9575, 9577, and 9590 doesn't change the shaving performance. They all use the same 94M shaving head and the same motor. Here's what the codes actually mean. CC means clean and charge station included. S means solo model without the station. The last two numbers 75, 77, and 90 tell you which accessories come in the box. The performance is identical, the difference is your accessories or charging options. Let me quickly show you what each model usually includes. 9575cc, clean and charge station, a standard travel case. 9577cc, clean and charge station, upgraded SmartCase, better protection for traveling. And 9590cc, premium package, SmartCase, full cleaning station, and sometimes extra cartridges depending on region. So again, shaving is the same. Accessories are the difference. Now let's talk about performance. I've been using the Series 9 Pro Plus for a while, and here's what you can expect. It's extremely smooth, very gentle on the skin, and it works well even on 2 or 3 days of beard growth. It doesn't pull hairs, and the ProComfort head really helps reduce irritation. A lot of people ask about the noise levels, so here's how loud it actually is. It's not too loud, completely normal for a high-power foil shaver. All CC models come with a clean and charge station. You simply place the shaver inside and it automatically cleans, dries, and lubricates the head. If you want low maintenance, definitely choose a CC model. Okay, so which model is right for you? Here's a simple answer. Best value 9575cc. Great price includes the clean and charge station. Best for travel 9577cc. Same performance, but you get the upgraded SmartCase. Best premium option 9590cc. Full accessory kit, premium finish, usually the most complete package. If you don't care about the cleaning station, look for a solo version like the 9515S. Same performance but more affordable. So that's a complete breakdown of all the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus models. If you still have questions about the model numbers or which is the best for you, just comment below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next review.